Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer money with CIMB Bank. Firstly, open the CIMB Bank PH app. On the dashboard, tap Transfer. Select to other banks and a list of banks will appear. Select the recipient's bank from the list and provide the recipient's account details, including account number, account holder's name if required, enter the amount you want to transfer, then tap Confirm to proceed. You will need to verify the transaction using your MPIN. Once the transfer is successful, you will receive a notification confirming it, and the recipient should receive the funds shortly, depending on the bank's processing time and date. Now you're all set to send money to other banks with ease using CIMB Bank PH app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.